Fresh family meal makeovers. As a busy mom of 3, personal trainer, and nutritionist, my approach to food is simple. I want to take your favorite recipes, cut out the unwanted sugar and calories and fat, and show you how to replace it with Dandy's fresh fruits and vegetables. Since Easter and Mother's Day are right around the corner, I thought it would be really fun to show you how to make over a delicious brunch of eggs Benedict. However, it's very high in calories and fat, so let me show you how I made it over. The traditional way has 900 calories and 72 grams of fat. So my first approach is to see where I can cut the calories and the fat. So instead of a plain English muffin, I added a 100 calorie high fiber one. Then I replaced the high fat ham or Canadian bacon with a fat-free turkey bacon. I did use organic whole eggs, so the only fat from this recipe is going to come from that. I didn't want to substitute. It's not something you have every day, so it's a nice treat to have. However, the sauce is completely different. I've taken out all the fat from the sauce and used herbs, seasonings, and mustard to season it up. The full recipe is on the website. And get this, for only an extra 100 calories, I was able to add a delicious spinach salad with red onion, cilantro, parsley, tomatoes, and a wonderful broiled grapefruit that has honey, cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and I also added a citrus iced tea, all for under 500 calories and only 20 grams of fat for the whole meal. Well, our makeover meal was a success. I hope I've inspired you to take a new look at your old recipes, find ways to cut calories and fats by using Dandy's fresh fruits and vegetables. You can find more recipes and tips on our website at dudafresh.com, and on Facebook it's at Dandy Fresh Fruits and Vegetables, and on Twitter it's at Dandy_fresh. I'd love to hear from you, so please email me directly at nutrition@duda.com. I may even use your question on our next show. See you next time.